Hello everybody, it's Dr. Damico here again for our third drawing for free Botox. And this time we have, I think, a little over 370 names in there, so this is getting to be pretty popular. Anyway, I will do the drawing in just a second, and I just want to go over a little bit of other things that we do with Botox. The first time we did a raffle, we talked about some of the more common areas, the forehead, the crow's feet, and the frown lines. But there are several other areas that we use Botox in the face that we do on a regular basis. For example, we do a little brow lift, put a little Botox here, and then together with the frown lines, that'll lift the brow. Another area that we use Botox, you can use it underneath the eyes here and help soften those little lines underneath the eyes. That's not the best bang for your buck with Botox, but it helps soften the lines in a lot of people. And they're what we call bunny lines, these little lines that people get when they scrunch their face up and smile, and they look like little bunny whiskers. We can put some Botox here and here and soften those. Another place we use Botox a lot is right above the lip here. We put a few little units there, and for those smokers lines, although most people get them don't smoke, but you know, I'm talking about the little lines above the lip and sometimes below the lip. You can put some Botox there and help with getting rid of those and keeping them from getting worse. And then there's a muscle that goes from here down, from the corner of your mouth down to your jawline, that kind of pulls the side of your mouth down and gives that kind of permanent frown look. We can put some Botox in there, and that helps to relax that muscle and actually lift the corner of the mouth up some. And sometimes we put Botox in this big muscle here called the masseter, the muscle that you use to chew with, but it also helps people who have TMJ or grind their teeth a lot. And another aesthetic use for it, it helps to actually shrink that muscle down some so that it takes a kind of square look of your face and makes it more of a nice oval or heart shape on the bottom of your face. That's something that's real popular for, like, Asian people tend to have more trouble with that squaring on their face, so it's very popular in Asia, and some people who aren't Asian still have that problem, and we can help them out. Another area we use Botox is in the neck. For these people who have these big bands, we call them platysmal bands. Whenever they do this, or even when they're not doing that, if we put some Botox in those bands, it helps to relax those muscles and snug the neck up somewhat, and helps get rid of some of that saggy look. And people have these horizontal lines that we call necklace lines. You can put a little bit of Botox in those and soften those things up, and just makes your neck look altogether a little more smooth. And that's probably about all the uses in the head and neck that we use. Sometimes we put Botox under arms that helps reduce sweatiness there. That's very effective and actually lasts 6 months to a year, as opposed to most Botox things, which only last about 4 or 5 months. And sometimes we treat people with headaches, you know, accidentally sometimes, but sometimes intentionally. We put Botox in the same areas that we use to treat forehead wrinkles, and a lot of times that will get rid of folks' headaches. So that's pretty much all the areas that we use Botox, but it's more than just for the forehead and crow's feet and frown lines. So I guess we'll go on and do the drawing, and today we're actually going to do 2 drawings for 2 different folks that are both going to get 40 units of free Botox. Since it's getting to be pretty popular, I feel bad when I only get to pick one name, so we'll go ahead and draw 2 names today. All right, I hope it's you. Let's see. The first name, I got 2, so I'm just going to use these 2. The first one is Renee L. Her last name starts with an L. Renee L. You're the first winner of 40 units of Botox. And Stephanie S. J Stephanie S.J.U. So it looks like a hyphenated name. So Stephanie and Renee, you are the winners today. Each of you will get 40 units of Botox. We're going to do another one of these starting next Tuesday. We'll show up on Facebook and like us and share with a friend, and you'll get entered into the bottle there for a drawing. And we'll not sure we're going to do Botox next time. It may be something else. We'll see. It might be a filler of some sort. But there will be something good for you if you like us on Facebook and share us. And otherwise, also would like you to know that our website is up and running, our new website. So check it out. It's skincarefortworth.com. It's brand new, so check it out. And if you see any problems with it or typos or anything like that, give us a call so we can fix it for everybody. So I guess that's all for today. So congratulations to Stephanie and Renee, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.